65 all the way. Good check.
2007.
Okay, a little left crosswind here. 5 knots. Nice and green out here today, wow. Alright, looking good. Positive rate of climb. Engine instruments are good.
Ontario Tower, Southwest, 1339. We're going to need just a minute. Okay, we park right here.
1339, no problem. Just let me know when you're ready. I've got your release already.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you very much.
And for Southwest 1339, we go after the RJ.
He's burning some fuel off also.
Oh, okay.
Nice. 65 all the way.
Southwest 1339, we're ready when you are, 26 right.
South 1339, tower runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, Southwest 1339.
Says 070, report to 737, rolling 26 right inside, please.
070, traffic in sight.
070, caution turbines for departure, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 26 left, caution on the wing for Cessna 070.
Tower, Southwest 572, visual 26 right.
So 572 tower, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Go land, 26 right, Southwest 572.
Rubber removal looks great. 65 all the way.
That's 5416, thank you very much. And if you'd like, taxi up 2, hold short, 26 right. Just say go when you're ready.
All right, up 2 and hold short at 26 right, we'll let you know. Yeah, 5416.
Okay. Lips are up. There's airspeed. 55. Yeah, climb okay, positive rate of climb. Engine instruments are good.
5070, radar service terminated. Maintain your squawk. Contact CNO 118.5. Thank you for your help and have a good day.
070 over at 18.5. Thanks for the help. Have a great weekend. So long. The left crosswind.
Turkey 32 to it. Check towards numbers, runway 26 right, clear line.
65 all the way.
26 right, clear to land 32 Juliet.
716 is traffic passing off your left wing in a mile. The Cherokee on course approved, frequency change approved.
Subway 5, on course approved. Subway 10 approved, 616. Shell Tower helicopter 7154 with Kilo 821, request light traffic for Bravo.